Hi, my name's Chris and I'm a vapor. I started vaping about 8 years ago using one of these little devices. Things have moved on quite a bit since then, and I like to try loads of different types and flavours of juice. And today I'm going to be trying out some kindly sent to me by Liquid Ice. You can check out their link in the description. Right, let's give it a go. I'm going to be trying out this Green Kelly. It's a 50% VG, 50% PG, lemonade and raspberry mix. First thing I did was change the filter in my atomizer so it gives a good clean taste. So I'll fill it up and leave it to stand for about 10 minutes and we'll give it a try. Directions for use that. Safety cap. And I'll come back to it in about 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now and I've left the Green Kelly mix to soak into the atomizer. So I'm going to give it a go. I know some people start off, when they start vaping, try tobacco flavours. Now, it seems normal to go for a tobacco flavour, but very few people stick with a tobacco flavour. So trying different flavours, always a good thing. Got good clouds. Pleasant taste. You can taste the lemonade, taste the raspberry. Yeah, nice clean juice. I like this. Yeah, I shall enjoy this.